Let me show you how to use wired earphones or headphones with your Samsung Galaxy S26 and also S26 Ultra. When it comes to negatives, obviously these phones do not receive a headphone jack, which is a bit ridiculous, but we can still use wired stuff if you simply get an adapter like this, which converts Type-C to 3.5mm jack. So you see, so these are also very cheap, for example like $2 or $3. For example, for this one I paid, and it's of very decent quality. So you see, you snap in your jack here and then you simply connect it to your phone just like this, and yeah, so as soon as you connect, it automatically will work and there's no additional setup needed, so it automatically will work. And yeah, obviously advantage of wired stuff is there is no audio delay, unlike with Bluetooth, and also obviously you do not run out of battery. By the way, when you purchase these, only avoid these like plain white ones. I have purchased like multiple of these. These maybe even cost like 50 cents, but they're absolutely terrible. They first fall out, basically the jack from them very easily, and also the audio quality absolutely sucks through these, so avoid these. So like a decent one only costs like $2 or $3. I'll maybe even leave a link where you can get one that was decent. Okay, good luck.